Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Patreon campaign analytics for growth. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your Patreon campaign analytics for growth, start by logging into your Patreon account. Once logged in, navigate to your creator dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the Analytics tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Analytics tab to access your campaign's performance data. Take note of the time frame you want to analyze. You can adjust the date range using the options available at the top of the Analytics page. Next, review the earnings section to understand your financial performance. Examine the breakdown of your earnings by tiers to see which are performing best. Here, you can track how many new patrons have joined over your selected period. Next, check the engagement metrics, which include the number of posts and patron interactions. Look for correlations between your content activity and changes in patron numbers. To gain deeper insights, consider using the comparative view. This view allows you to compare different time periods side by side. If you notice consistent issues or successes, take screenshots for reference. After gathering your data, create a report summarizing your findings. Focus on key areas such as earnings, growth, and engagement levels. Finally, use this information to develop strategies for enhancing your campaign. Regularly revisiting your analytics will help you continually adapt and grow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.